Hello and welcome to the openSAP course Freedom of Data with SAP Data Hub. My name's Jeff Nolan. I'm a knowledge architect at SAP and I'm here today to give you an overview of the contents of this new course. So what exactly is the course about? Well, this course introduces you to SAP Data Hub. SAP Data Hub is a data landscape and metadata management solution that enables data sharing, data pipelining and data governance throughout the connected landscape. The course will be presented by Tobias Köbler. Tobias is a product expert for SAP's big data portfolio with a special focus on SAP Data Hub. The course is aimed at application developers and data warehouse modelers, as well as data engineers and scientists and technical business analysts. And to get the most out of this course, you'll need to be familiar with basic big data concepts and ideally have some basic programming knowledge too. But it would also be helpful to have some knowledge of the Internet of Things and data warehouses. Spread over 6 weeks, the course consists of lectures, system demos and learning assignments. And on average, you'll need to find about 4 hours learning time per week to watch the video lectures, do the optional exercises and complete a weekly assignment. In the first week, we'll introduce the basic underlying concepts and challenges of big data and have a quick look at SAP's big data strategy. We'll discuss the goals and benefits of SAP Data Hub and look at some use cases and functions. In week 2, we'll have a look at the architecture of SAP Data Hub and show you how to set up a trial instance. We'll discuss container technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes and see how to install and set up the landscape, including deployment, configuration and sizing. In week 3, we'll have a close look at landscape administration, including connectivity and setting up centralized monitoring and scheduling. We'll also show what the Launchpad looks like and see how to use the diagnostics framework. In week 4, the focus is on metadata management. We'll start with an introduction to the Metadata Explorer before moving on to the task of discovering data in the landscape and creating datasets. We'll explain what data labels can be used for and have a quick look at some search functionality. And we'll round off week 4 by showing how to use SAP Agile Data Preparation with SAP Data Hub. In week 5, we'll introduce you to the concept of data pipelines. We'll see how predefined operators can help build data-driven applications and learn how to execute and trace data pipelines. We'll also show how to create and use custom operators and have a look at data transformation and workflows. Week 6 is the final week of this course, so we'll have a quick look at what's planned for future releases of SAP Data Hub, for example, controlling metadata from a central location, and combining SAP Business Warehouse for SAP HANA with SAP Data Hub to perform intelligent big data warehousing. After having successfully completed the first 6 weeks, you'll have one further week to prepare and participate in the final exam to receive the record of achievement, which confirms the successful completion of this course. And to provide you with an exciting learning experience, some weekly lectures include system demonstrations. As usual, the course will be complemented by an online forum in which you can ask questions, exchange ideas, and have discussions with your fellow students. I'm sure you'll enjoy this openSAP class, and we look forward to meeting you there again soon. Goodbye for now.